Chapter 5. Food and Health. Let's learn need of healthy food, food with nutrients. Air, water, food, clothes and shelter are our basic needs. We cannot survive without these things. Air helps us to breathe. Without air, we will die in a few minutes. Water is also important for us. It is necessary for the digestion of food and removal of waste products. It also regulates our body temperature. Clothes save us from heat, cold and insect bites. A house also keeps us safe from heat, cold, rain, wild animals and thieves. Need of healthy food. We cannot live for long without food. Eating is one of the most important necessities in everyone's life. The food we eat is the sole source of our energy and nutrition. We eat food when we are hungry, but we do not know how the food we eat every day affects our health. When we eat too much oily food, we put on weight and have health problems. So, we should always eat healthy food. Eating proper and wholesome food is important for us because it contains nutrients that we need to stay healthy. Nutrients are substances that give us the energy to grow and to do our day-to-day activities. It makes our bones and muscles strong and protects us from diseases. The human body requires food to provide energy for all life processes and for growth, repair and maintenance of cells and tissues. The dietary need varies according to age, sex and occupation. A balanced diet contains different types of food in correct quantities and proportions. A balanced diet must contain carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and fiber. It must contain these things in the correct proportions. Info Hive. A balanced diet helps to fight diseases. Each day you need a certain amount of the following nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and roughage. Food with nutrients. Eating a well-balanced diet on a regular basis maintains physical and mental health of a person very well. A balanced diet contains all the nutrients. Let us know more about these nutrients. Vitamins. Vitamins are needed in a small amount to help in the normal functioning of the body. Although vitamins do not provide energy directly, they are important because they serve a wide variety of functions. There are many types of vitamins. Vitamin A aids in the maintenance of tissues and is essential for good eyesight. Vitamin D promotes the absorption of calcium to keep our teeth and bones strong. Vitamin K is necessary for blood clotting and vitamin C acts as a potent antioxidant. Vitamin B helps our body in making protein and energy. Fresh fruits and vegetables are rich sources of vitamins. Vitamins come in two forms. They are fat-soluble and water-soluble. Fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K are stored in the body fat. Water-soluble vitamins B, C are excreted by the body. Leafy vegetables, citrus fruits, milk, nuts and sunlight are main sources of vitamins. Proteins. Proteins are essential for growth and maintenance of body tissues. They help to make new body cells. They are needed for the manufacture of hormones, antibodies and enzymes. They also help to maintain the proper acid-alkali balance in the body. Protein is a body-building nutrient. Proteins are found in almost all food items like beans, pulses, dairy products, meat, eggs, nuts and seeds. Minerals. Minerals are needed in very small quantities. Too much of any mineral can harm our body. They keep our bones and teeth strong and our body healthy. Calcium, iron, phosphorus and potassium are some important minerals required by our body. Different minerals are present in different food items like dairy products, fish, green leafy vegetables, soybean and nuts. Fats. Fats are also a necessary food component for our health. They give us energy at the time of emergency and keep the body warm. Excess fat is not good and should be avoided. Fats are made up of building blocks called fatty acids. Butter, oil, ghee, cheese, whole milk, and fat on meat are rich sources of fats. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for our body. They can be used by the body immediately or stored and converted for later use. Carbohydrates are basically sugar and starch. Wheat, potatoes, grains, candy, bread are all sources of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates break down into glucose, which is used as fuel for our muscles and brain. If our body does not have any requirement for the glucose, it is stored in our body. Info High. The carbohydrates in our food are mainly obtained from the plant sources. Water and roughage. Water is the most important component among the 6 basic nutrients. It makes up 50 to 75% of the human body. The human body needs at least 8 glasses of water a day for good health. Water is removed from body in the form of urine and sweat. It is needed to produce digestive enzymes. Lack of sufficient water in our body harms our organs and does not let them function properly. Loss of water in the body is called dehydration. Roughage is found in vegetables, fruits, and the outer covering of cereals. It helps our body to get rid of the waste matter produced after digestion. It helps us to clean our bowels. Whole wheat bread, whole pulses, and apples with peels contain a good amount of roughage. Recap. The food we eat is the sole source of our energy and nutrition. Nutrients are substances that give us the energy to grow and to do our day-to-day activities. A balanced diet contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and roughage. Proteins are essential for growth and maintenance of body tissues. Fats are also a necessary nutrient for good health. Roughage helps us to get rid of the waste matter produced after digestion.